Aisle. Don't confuse aisle with aisle, even if they are pronounced the same. An isle is a small island, as in the British Isles, which are made of many islands. An aisle, on the other hand, is a long, narrow passage. You find aisles between the rows of seats on planes and trains. You find aisles in churches between the rows of pews, too. In a traditional church wedding, the bride is walked down the aisle by her father. The bride walks down the aisle to the altar, and the congregation sing hymns. As they approach their future husbands, most brides are repeating aisle, altar, hymn.